What is ClickUp? Features of ClickUp: task management, team collaboration, time tracking, integrations and automations. Benefits of using ClickUp for e-commerce businesses. Shopify, a comprehensive overview. What is Shopify? Key features of Shopify: storefront, payment solutions, marketing and SEO tools, analytics and reporting. Advantages of using Shopify as an e-commerce platform. Why integrating ClickUp with Shopify is a game changer. Streamlining operations, enhancing communication between teams, automating repetitive tasks, improving customer experience. ClickUp features that work best for Shopify users. Automations for order fulfillment, managing marketing campaigns with ClickUp, inventory management integration, custom dashboards for Shopify, analytics, how to set up a ClickUp Shopify integration. Step-by-step guide to integrating Shopify with ClickUp, best practices for setting up your workspaces and automations, success stories, how businesses benefit from ClickUp and Shopify. Case studies of businesses using both platforms, improved workflow efficiency, enhanced team productivity, tips for maximizing the use of ClickUp with Shopify. Task prioritization for e-commerce stores, using ClickUp's templates for Shopify-related projects, collaborating with vendors, suppliers, and third-party providers, automating tasks like shipping, notifications, and updates. Challenges of using ClickUp and Shopify together. Potential hurdles, solutions, and workarounds. the importance of staying updated with both platforms, the future of e-commerce, and project management. Trends in e-commerce and how ClickUp Shopify partnerships can evolve, the rise of AI in automating project and e-commerce management. Conclusion. Recap of the importance of integrating ClickUp with Shopify. Final thoughts on optimizing workflows for e-commerce businesses. Let's begin drafting. 1. Introduction. The world of e-commerce has grown rapidly in recent years, with businesses looking for streamlined processes to manage their online stores. Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, empowers businesses to sell products online with ease. However, as stores grow, managing various aspects such as marketing, inventory, order, fulfillment, and customer service can become overwhelming. This is where project management tools like ClickUp come into play. ClickUp is a powerful, flexible project management platform designed to help businesses organize their work, collaborate across teams, and streamline their operations.